Hello everyone and welcome to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to use the infotainment system on the 2021 Opel Insignia Grand Sport. But before we move forward, please consider subscribing to my channel by clicking that subscription button, and also make sure to press that bell icon and leave all the notifications on, so that way you will be notified when a new video comes out. So on this new Opel Insignia you get an 8-inch infotainment screen, and that screen is controlled also using these buttons. So these are like quick option buttons for your home. This is your volume and this is the power. So yeah, when you long press it you can mute, or even when you long press you can switch the main screen off and then you can power it back. These are the track buttons, and then this is the back option. So this is all while on the move you can easily get to use the infotainment screen. So when it comes to this main infotainment screen, this is a bright and crisp display that you get on this Insignia, and you get two big widgets on your main screen, which is for your navigation and your media controls. And at the bottom you can see my phone is connected, which is why you see my Bluetooth connection and the name of it. Also it's connected using the Android Auto. I'm also going to come to that. So at the bottom these are all your shortcut buttons. So let me first start with the broader main menu options. So when you swipe, look at how snappy this screen is. It's really snappy. So when you come to the main menu option, you get the audio option, in which you can see there is an AM, FM, the Bluetooth option, and then when you go down you can see the Android Auto also, which is connected, so you can switch to that. And also on this side you can see your sound setting options, all that, and also this is the option to connect your phone from here. And you can also go back to your main screen using this home button, which has been given on the corner, or this bottom button from here. And then there is the phone button. So in this you can access your favorite, your keypad, you can dial the numbers and the recent calls and then the contacts and also the phone option. So you can see all the options from here itself. And then you come to the navigation system, which is a really good snappy system. You can see from here, so you can center it and then you can type the location out here, and you can also search from here. So there will be a big keyboard that comes up, and then you can type all the locations that you want, and then you can search it, and you can even zoom or even come out of it, and then whatever setting you want you can change on this navigation. So it's really quick and snappy. Then there is the user option, in which you can create your own profile and set everything according to your taste. And then there is the more finer setting options, in which first we'll come to the system option, in which you can change your date and time, all the options related to that. There's also another shortcut options, I'll come to that as well. There is language you can set. There is also the phone option, in which you can remove or add connection. Then the Wi-Fi network, and you can also give hotspot to the passengers in the car. Then the privacy option, and then there is the display option, in which you can calibrate the touch screen, turn off the display, and the mode is auto, which is basically you let the car figure out what daylight and what screen brightness it is supposed to keep. And then there is the sound option, when you touch or anything you want any feedback from it. And then there is the voice control, that. Then there is the favorites, you can manage all your favorite contact options from here. Then the update, and then there is the about option, the running application, and the return to factory setting. And then there is the app option, in which you can see the Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, you can keep them on or off. And then there is also the audio option, you can set all the different tones and everything, the various options. You can even reset it from here. There is also the climate option, in which you can change every single thing from here: auto cooled seats, auto heated seats, auto defog, all that the car will do when you start for the first time. And when you come to the navigation settings, you can change everything related to your navigation, your history, you can delete that, you can set up places, you can do everything from here itself. And then there is the phone option, again all the call related, the contact related options that you can change from here. Then there is the vehicle option. In the vehicle option there is a sport mode customization, so you can change so there are 3 different modes on this Insignia, which is a tour, normal, and sport. So the sport mode can be changed from here. You can change the steering, suspension, and the adaptive cruise control. And then there is the auto mode customization. So based on the driving style, the car would select what modes it should ideally be in, or if you want you can choose the mode for you when you start the car for the first time. So there is the climate and the air quality. Again, it's the same option which you saw in the apps also, and there is also the collision detection. So all the safety systems you can switch on and off from here. And then there is the comfort and the convenience. So the easy driver exit, the seats would move automatically back for you, the chime volume, the reverse tilt mirror for the passenger or the driver or both. So when you're putting the car in reverse, let me show you. Actually, when I put the car in the reverse, the rear, the side mirror actually folds down. So yeah, that is one feature if you want to change or anything. Then remote folding mirror option, and then the personalizing of your driver, and then there is the rain sensing wipers if you want to keep it on or off, the extended hill start assist, and the comfort, and then there is the lighting option, and then there is the power door locks, the remote lock unlock start, and the seating positions if you want to keep the seat memory option on or off from here. So you can do that as well. And then when you come to the main screen now, then there is the Apple CarPlay, because there is no Apple iPhone connected to this. So now there is the Android Auto, and when I go to that, because my phone is connected using this wired connection, which is why it is able to connect to the Android Auto, and then you can go to the maps, then you can go to your player, music player, messages, Spotify, all of that you can do from here itself. And then you come to the climate control button. Now the climate in this, you can change every single climate option, which you can change from here also, or you can change it from here also. So you can change the temperature, you can change the fan speed, you can also switch it off, switch it on, and then the flow of air, and then if you want the synchronize, which is your dual zone air conditioning, if you want to have the fresh air option, you can do that as well, and then leave it on auto. And then you can come back to the main screen using the home button, and then when you press it for another time, you come to the main screen. Now at the bottom there are more options for your, again, audio. You can go, this is like a shortcut button, and there's also phone option, there is navigation, there is also quick climate control option as well. So the climate can be accessed from here, you can access it from here, or there is a climate button, you can access it from here too. So next, when I said that you can even change quickly the clock and everything, the settings out here, so you can press this clock option and clock option, yeah. So when you press that, you can change the date and time and everything from here itself. So that is pretty much it in terms of the usage of this infotainment screen. It's very basic, but at the same time it's snappy, and I'm happy it's not loaded with a ton of stuff, but just the right amount of the options that you want. So that is pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful in understanding how to use the infotainment system on this new Opel Insignia, and if it was really helpful, then make sure to leave a thumbs up, and also feel free to share this video so that more people can discover this video and get help with how to use this infotainment system on this Insignia as well. And thank you for watching this video, and if you want to subscribe to my channel, then you can click here, and if you want to watch more videos, then click here. I shall see you in the next video. Bye bye, take care and stay safe.